Apple has done it again. The iPhone Air 2025 is officially here, and it's the thinnest iPhone we've ever seen. At just 5.64 millimeters thick, that's 0.22 inches, this thing feels like holding a piece of the future. But is thinner really better? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the iPhone Air 2025, covering its design, display, performance, cameras, and of course, whether it's worth your money. Before starting the video, the buy link is in the video description. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice is just how insanely thin and light this phone is. Apple has packed all this tech into a titanium frame, which feels premium and solid despite its slim profile. It comes in 4 colors: sky blue, light gold, cloud white, and space black, and honestly, the sky blue is my personal favorite. It's subtle, elegant, and looks even better in natural light. And this year, Apple introduced Ceramic Shield 2 on the front, which they claim offers 3x better scratch resistance compared to previous iPhones. And for the first time, the back is also covered with a ceramic shield instead of glass, making this one of the most durable iPhones yet. The display is a 6.5-inch panel with 120 Hz per motion, so everything feels buttery smooth. But here's where it gets really impressive. The iPhone Air hits 3000 nits of peak brightness, making it one of the brightest displays on any smartphone. And for those who love using their phones at night, the display can dim all the way down to just 1 nit, perfect for bedtime scrolling without straining your eyes. Of course, always on display is here too, showing your clock, widgets, and notifications even when your phone is locked. Under the hood, we've got the A19 Pro processor with a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. This chip is not just fast, it's efficient. Multitasking is seamless, gaming is smooth, and video editing on the go feels almost desktop class. Apple claims it's around 20% faster than last year's A18, and in my testing, it breezes through demanding apps like Final Cut Pro for iPhone without breaking a sweat. Apple is taking a bold step this year with a single rear camera setup, but don't be fooled. This is a 48MP Fusion camera capable of 1x and 2x optical zoom thanks to its new sensor crop technology. Photos are sharp, colors are natural, and low light performance is excellent thanks to Apple's improved photonic engine. On the front, there's a new 18MP center stage camera with a square sensor. That means no matter how you hold your phone, portrait or landscape, the camera captures the perfect framing. This is a huge upgrade for FaceTime calls, vlogging, and even TikToks. Overall, the iPhone Air 2025 is the perfect iPhone for anyone who wants a sleek, powerful, and minimalist device without compromise. It's a bold move from Apple, and for most people, this might just be the iPhone to buy this year. The iPhone Air 2025 starts at $999 for the 256GB model, $1,199 for 512GB model, and $1,399 for the 1TB model. No 128GB this year. Apple is clearly pushing for higher storage as the baseline. What's it like living with the iPhone Air 2025? In one word, futuristic. The ultra-thin design makes it incredibly pocketable. The display is one of the best in the business, and performance is top-notch. That said, if you're someone who needs being so thin, Apple managed to pack in a battery that lasts up to 27 hours of video playback. In real-world use, I comfortably got through a day and a half on a single charge. And yes, fast charging and MagSafe support are here as well. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the iPhone Air 2025, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, is the thinness of the iPhone Air enough to make you upgrade? See you in next video. Thank you for watching.